Hi, I'm Charlie, co-founder of Charging Pro, and here's an overview of MagFlött Pro V2. So it comes in a shipping box like this. Open it up. Since I already opened this up, it does come in a nice plastic film. So this is how you find the model number in the back, and then to make sure it matches, and then it'll be compatible. So let's get right to it. This is what the box looks like. So it comes with two insert cards. Basically, this is the story behind our brand, and also the story how we started in 2020 for the first magnetic iPad stand. And it's a pretty good read. And this is the insert card where your iPad is compatible with the MagFlött that you bought. So what you get is the MagFlött magnetic slate attached to the vertical mount and the nice solid stable base. Here you go. And then it also comes with a 6.5-foot braided USB-C U cable, another patented product, and I'll show you that later on. And also it comes with 2 screws and an Allen wrench. And let's install it right now. So let's take the Allen wrench and the 2 screws out of the bag. So there's 2 holes that you have to line up to the vertical mount and the base. And there's only one way to install it. If it doesn't line up, you have to just rotate it and then the holes will actually line up. All right, so just take the 2 screws and put them in the hole. And yeah. Just screw it on. Make sure not to over tighten them. So these are nice and tight, but again, don't over tighten them. On the bottom, you have a nice full silicone base, so it doesn't roll around. It's nice and stable and solid. And here it is, space gray, height adjustable. So goes up and down just like that with a nice simple twist of the knob. On the front, we have this wrap, basically indicating if your iPad works with this. If it's smaller, you have to get the smaller iPad, smaller MagFlött stand size. And here is an indicator of the iPhone MagSafe ring. And if you have an iPhone 12 or newer, it will work and it will just attach directly on the ring. So again, as it says, please test here before you install everything. But of course, I installed everything beforehand. Again, it works. So if it does work, then you go right ahead and install it and enjoy. So let's take this wrap off. And you have a nice soft microfiber back, so it doesn't scratch your iPad. And then we got a nice, again, the iPhone ring and the camera cutout. All you do is just attach it just like this. There you go. And it does rotate 360 degrees and tilts. And so again, all you need to do is hold the vertical support, twist the knob, and slide it down or up, and twist it again to lock it into place. It has 5.5 inches of vertical movement. And yeah, this is how it is. I do like to put it at the tallest point for myself when I'm standing. And it's just perfectly eye level. And I can just watch or do any kind of work without hunching over. Right, because that's part of the whole point of making a height adjustable stand. So you're more upright, so you're not always hunching over and have bad posture. So again, it's a best way to work and to just enjoy just watching something on your iPad. So to detach, all you do is hold the iPad from the bottom and use the camera cutout and press it from there. And detaches very easily like that. And again, I want to show you the iPhone magnetic ring, the MagSafe. So any iPhone 12 or newer with the built-in ring will just magnetically attach just like that. It does not wirelessly charge though. All right, this does not have a wireless charging function. There you go. All right, so this is the overview of MagFlött Pro V2 Space Black. Thanks, guys. Oh, there's one more thing. You get a USB-C U cable, and let me show you how this guy works. So this one end curves around like a U, and you just plug it into your iPad. It's a USB-C port, and it doesn't get in the way or doesn't jut out. It's a nice clean look while charging fast and fully while you're working or watching anything. So this is how it is. All right, guys. Thank you.